Well, some people in Oregon are not happy about possible changes coming to the area.
Yeah, Landings of Oregon is currently just an assisted living facility, but the leaders want to add psychiatric services, and if you ask some, that's where the problem starts.
Our Andre Norrells was at the meeting tonight and joins us in studio. Andre, so what feeling did you get from people there at the meeting tonight?
Yeah, Jeff and Kaylee, Landings of Oregon and Midwest Behavioral held 2 community meetings today to hear from the community. Our cameras were at both, and those who showed up say they're frustrated with the idea. Tacey Graff lives in Oregon and has a son that goes to Thrive Daycare. It's within feet of Landings of Oregon.
I wanted to come and get informed about what kind of population they would be serving, what kind of security measures they were going to be taking.
She's one of the several parents who attended the meeting, another being Angelica Bowser.
Great deed, but who's advocating for the children? Who's protecting the children?
People who live nearby share concerns, namely security and the type of patients that would be cared for. Landings of Oregon and Midwest Behavioral declined to comment, but at the meeting, facility leaders said they would focus on senior mental health and not on addiction treatment. And they said unarmed security guards would be on the property, but leaders admit this information wasn't in their initial zoning application to the city, which raised concerns.
Unless a lot changes, I think it has very little chance of passing.
That's Michael Safarian, the mayor of Oregon. He's also on the city's planning commission, and in order for these services to be added, it has to go through the commission, then city council.
They were scheduled to come for a planning commission earlier than this, and we, the city, had notified them, so say that they have some work to do if they hope to prevail, and that's why they called these meetings, to try to explain to the residents just what they were about.
Many in the community left the meeting still frustrated, and parents left with thoughts of changing child care services if things don't change.
If it seems like it's just kind of thrown there with nothing in place, I couldn't, as a parent in good faith, send my kid there.
We don't want it. Put it somewhere else.
Landings of Oregon and Midwest Behavioral are set to present to the Planning Commission on May 21st. We'll be sure to keep you updated as the story continues to develop. Reporting in studio, Andre Norrells, WTOL.